uh, cartel bus Alkaline though. Enough people they realize that.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I don't know one Media Fox pan up, See? But people, I really see that brother do a video and you see, that's why I realize the dancehall space and the narrative and how people look at things, but them now look on the formula the right way. See? And look now. The brother I say cartel boss Alkaline. See? I guess based on them at the comparison and everything, which I know say it work, brother. You understand? I know say it work. But me couldn't hear where most people.
Cartel bus Alkaline though. Enough people they realize that. Meaning say I'm cartel name, the Alkaline, the highlight when they always wanted.
I don't understand this. What you mean by cartel name game the highlight where Alkaline always wanted? Nah, brother. You have to understand, say, Alkaline is like the youth just different. The reason why them compare Alkaline with cartel is because of the youth talent. You understand? And if it wasn't for the youth talent, he wouldn't reach. Because look here, if you are gonna say the comparison, all of these things, remember, you have people out there, right? How you think them get fair? No Alkaline, be an Alkaline fan. You would think because of the comparison with cartel? It's because of Alkaline music, brother. His music. I tell you, say, una look on some like a local thing at Jamaica and feel like, say, I saw the world stay out there. The Alkaline music make people rate him and how he move. You see what I try to say? And it's because the comparison with Alkaline, the reason why them compare him with cartel is because the talent of the youth have like, it's like the controversy, everything. Because True Cartel have that and them couldn't find no other artists with that, and Alkaline forward and have the same energy. Not mean say he might copy anything. You see what I try to say? So these are the things you need for look pan. It's not for do nothing with, but alright, you feel like say alright, say Alkaline never drop quality music or music where hit the people them. You feel like say getting up every day comparing with cartel would I really carry on that level there? At the youth music, the impact of the youth music. Remember say Alkaline been him not really do social media like that. Yes, people are gonna call him name and this and that. Remember say a lot of artists go back and forth with cartel and name been a call up with cartel and every little thing. Seeing? But them not reach certain level like what Alkaline reach. And that's the problem. You see me? It's because of Alkaline greatness. And that's why, because to how cartel is like a puppet to the industry. So look at now. When Alkaline forward, them never believe say yo somebody else would have forward and just capture everything so. So the only way for try build the Alkaline greatness was to compare him with Vice Cartel. You understand? So it'll make it seem that yo, him great, but a cartel him follow. Because them still want to have that puppet little way they say yo, cartel. Cause them never know say that you had dagger forward in a dancehall and change up the thing. Now that was a problem.
Because when I keep on and compare him to cartel and I try to bring him down and all that did I do, I elevate him. And people not even realize that. Being so stupid. Being the fool that they are. You see me? They might try to bring him down and I use somebody way bigger than him and I try to bring him down. How smart that is.
Brother, there are so many artists in dancehall where get a little fight or where other big artists bring them down or try to do. Right? And it work on them. But you know why it couldn't work with Alkaline? It's because of the youth music, how the youth move. Him not pay them no attention. You understand? Him not time himself to nobody. That's why the youth propel, the youth focus on music. Him no come out pan a live or a diss up nobody or cry say them a fight him. All of them little thing there. The youth speak through him music. Remember say man pay a DJ if you not play him song. Alkaline could have forward out and say yo, what kind of shit that? No. The youth just put out quality music, him stay focused. You understand? And when you look the same people that will pay if you not play music are the same man we are playing song in our house. Music is the power. We conquer anything, bro. You see me? Music is very powerful. And that is what the youth use. So many artists. Alright, it's like this. Michael Jackson. So many people compare with Michael Jackson and all of them look at thing there, brother. See? Them can't do him do. Them can't be great. So much imitation and all of them look at thing there. You see it? Them nah. Some of them, it not propel them thing. And not everybody. Look how much artists try, I don't know how much artists try if you go against Cartel. Even the back and forth, what it really do for them. Alkaline is just a different artist. It's an artist where it's like, it's a revolutionary artist. Where him just different, him not move like any other artist, and that's the difference. The youth not do social media, the youth not do certain things. Him go up on him stage and him perform. You not to see him in the street like that. You not to see him on a bagga party. These are the things, the elements what make a youth great. So them are going to compare him with Cartel because the industry have Cartel at a standard. Remember, you have Shaggy and Sean Paul who do it bigger than Cartel out here. You understand? But why them not do that? Why them not compare Alkaline and thing with Shaggy and Sean Paul? Why them not do that? You know why? Because the industry not care about Shaggy and Sean Paul. Cartel are them puppet. So who are do great? Come remember back in the days, when artists usually boss, them only compare them to Cartel. Compare them to Cartel. You understand? A lot of times, I say, bro, how much artists in a dancehall? There's so many artists in a dancehall. You understand? All we didn't have nothing to do. Remember when Gully Bop, Gully Bop, I think Gully Bop older than Vice Cartel, Seeing? And when Gully Bop just boss, man, I must say, yo, Gully Bop bad like Cartel, I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed, brother. So, all of these artists were boss. Remember, say, I know Cartel alone do music. You have a lot of more people I do music because it's just that the industry, him are the industry puppet. You see me? So anybody way forward, they might try to tie them name to him. You understand? That them are gonna do. So what build Alkaline career is his music. If Alkaline never had put out quality music and I compare with Cartel, he wouldn't reach nowhere. He wouldn't reach nowhere, no, brother, as an artist. Bro, if you're not put in a mood, like them a compare Chris Brown with Michael Jackson, them bro, why them a do that? Bro, it's because where the youth a do, what the youth music do for him. You understand? The stadium where him a sell out. Yo, all of these, the moves, all of these things, brother. You see me? At that, you can compare anybody with no anybody. That no mean say it a go propel your career, bro. Music. Alkaline use music. If him never put out no music and him a compare him, Cartel, him wouldn't reach where him there, brother. Him wouldn't reach where him there. You see me?
That's so smart, bro. So when you now come, he boss already, you see me? But him still the underground. You see me? Nobody never did a him like that until you start comparing him to somebody. Compare him to one of the greatest in our music already. So you think I got him? People are going to know who this brother. When them compare to Cartel, something must. Both him make them compare him to Cartel. So people when I like Cartel, I go jump on Alkaline wagon. People when I like Cartel, I go like Alka. You see me? And people will prefer Alka, I go switch. You see me? And I saw Alka, I will get film fans them.
Brother, you're not understanding. Alkaline gain his fans because I'm music. You understand? Because I'm music. You have to get that. That's how people connect. Remember, yes, some of the Gaza people them might switch because majority of cartel thing them are more like controversy and all of them thing that a way make and fear and all of them thing that a way make people rate him some of the time. You see me? Because if you check with the support of his music, it can tell. When him drop albums, same thing. Cartel thing is just the hype, bro, the moment. So if Cartel said this or post you upon them look thing there, you see man just fan out. You see me? Because them love attention, them want to be seen. You see me? So that are the thing. If Alkaline did I do that, they would have do the same thing, brother. You see me? They would have do the same thing. That's how people stay, fam. Real fans is like when you get some fight and them battle with you. Same like with Alkaline. Him fans them they out there. Battle with him. When him try bring him down, him fans them dead. For a youth where not too in the media like that. Or to interact with people in the media. Not say it bad. Seeing? It shows that your fans them really rate him. If you stick with him. Seeing all when him now drop song like that. Him fans them dead, them play the old song, everything. Seeing? So right now, you feel like say youth are going in a Barclays, you feel like say the comparison with Cartel. The amount of artists get comparison with Cartel, them now do the moves that Alkaline get. You understand? Yes, people are gonna get fight and everything, but it's how Alkaline move. Him songs them. Very relatable, very powerful way. All the next 10 years you can remember it, a line out it and everything. Things will happen in a real life and you just can pull up the song and it just connect. You see me? How the youth move. That's the problem. You see, that it make the youth powerful today. You see me? Because the youth not answer none of them. You see it? Them always have a compare with Cartel because the youth great. And Cartel is a great artist. You see me? Enough of the artists them. Where them say come like Cartel or Cartel like give much artists much artists that give Ice Cartel homage. Man all dress like Cartel. Everything. But them not reach the level Alkaline reach. For sure you say yo is what the youth do. Seeing? And on a comparison, brother. So many artists comparison with other people. If you not put in the work, you understand you're gonna left behind, brother. You see me? You're gonna stall out everything. So the work with the youth put in, the work. You see me? Comparison I always did it. Because them see the man over there so great. And them are gonna say, yo, that youth yeah, this and that and way. You see me? In every genre you have that comparison. But if you don't have the work, it not gonna make no sense, brother. You see me? Alkaline music. You feel like say the youth are gonna full out the arena. Where you think them are gonna come and say, yo, in catching copy cartel, no? Yo, watch him do this. Them are gonna go listen to youth singing music. That them are go there for see. Remember say Alkaline not do social media. Him not interact with people in the media like that. But when him go him show them, the people them a turn out. Why? You think because over the years them a compare with Cartel, them a go there for go singing music. All of these Alkaline music. You see it? In music do that. You see it? You see me? That's how the thing said people.
So all them did about then elevate him and you know what Alkaline realized that he probably never like it at first. Well he never like it none at all. You see me? But he realized it did a build him career or it did a give him the fan base so he want so he run with it. That's why him start follow it up. You see me? And start actually diss him in a song and something because him say yo he can really push for him thing. You see me? And that me mean when I say yo a cartel boss Alka.
And the thing is that no, the cartel boss thing there, nah, bro. Nah. That's another way. That's another way of say that. You see me? That's another way of say that, bro. You see me? At the end of the day, if you become an Alkaline fan, bro, it has to do with something with him, not Vice Cartel. You see me? You have to listen to music. You see me? You have to if say you're dead and you still fight, and you say, alright, Ray, if you listen to Alkaline music and be a shaggy sing, you're not going to become a fan, brother. You see me? If a Shaggy Alkaline a sing, you nah go and be a fan. You go say, oh, what this? You see me? So, how comes Cartel did it? You have him sons. You have some artists around him. Everybody with around him. Seeing? I'm going to give them strength, everything. But them can't reach a level where Alkaline get. You see it? Can't reach a level. It's just how Alkaline move, bro. You see me? At the greatness, alright. Say Alkaline never did that do nothing in a dancehall. Seeing? Where them would have to compare with Cartel. Tell the truth, people. The arena thing we are going, them compare every day. If Alkaline never done an arena, there wouldn't be a comparison with an arena thing. Eh? People? But that's the thing, you know. There has to be something what Alkaline do for them compare with Cartel. When Alkaline boss, him come out with the eyeball. Seeing? Eyeball. So look you know, him get the attention of the people. Because the man say him tattoo eyeball. Master move. All our contact lens. But the youth get the attention we want. So them can look within and start listening music. If Alkaline never have the talent and the greatness when it comes to music, them wouldn't have made him today. So many artists get them attention, the brother. And what happen after? Them not have the talent to the quality music, bro. You see me? Alkaline forward out, start take the attention from Cartel. Them attack, yo, eyeball and everything, heavy interview, this, that, ray. And because we might do, brother. Cause remember this, you know, when Alkaline just forward out, seeing? Just forward out. The youth just put in a contact lens, in black, everything like a normal. Only thing, contact lens. Them start compare. Them feel like a Cartel build controversy. Controversy was always there. You understand? So how Alkaline do? How that push him? Not the comparison with Cartel, bro. Because if Alkaline never did that do nothing for the comparison with Cartel, it would have been a different result. Different thing. You see me? So much artists want to be like Vice Cartel, this and that and ray. Them never, where them there? Where them there, bro? And that's the thing, you know, where them there. If Vice Cartel in the media like that every day, so in the media. Seeing? But Alkaline, when in the media, name a call out more than every other artist. More than every other artist. Remember, you know, a lot of things we're talking at the media, it not with Alkaline, it not nothing to do with Vice Cartel, brother. When the hurricane thing and the bugger artists, them are forward out. Alkaline that. Alkaline that. You mean say the industry need Alkaline name to create controversy within itself? Because if them not to see the youth and him name always a call up in a some other thing, it show you when people forward out and call Alkaline name, them start get turn controversy, turn everything into everything. So that show you say the youth great, cause if you not too see him, you call him name. Why you call him name if you not too see him then? See, it's like this. When you left a community, if you not see some people, you not remember them. So why them not too see Alkaline, but them always talk about him? It's because of the impact and the greatness what the youth do. You see what I try to say? And what him do? Because if Alkaline never do some great things in the dancehall, them wouldn't have no reason for comparing with Cartel. No reason. You see me? Because I see enough artists boss and them compare. And Skilly Bang, them have Squash them, Chronic Law, so many artists. Them compare, say, yo, Chronic Law, next Cartel, Squash them, ray. What did it do for them? What it do for them? No really do nothing for them, brother. Alkaline talent. You see me? And at that, getting on the head, bro. Because if it was like that, how the youth building fan base outside of Jamaica? Some place where you have people out there in the world don't know really are going, you know. Enough people out there in the world just know say, yo, Alkaline. You see me? Them not even know about this Cartel and Alkaline comparison and everything. Them don't even know how the youth music reach out there. And the people them listen. You see me? You have some people in Africa. Alkaline music, bro. You see me? Cause we go on a dance at a certain time, them now pick up that pan radar over where them there. Alkaline music, them ear. So I feel like say everybody in the world know that. And not everybody in the world, brother. You see me? The youth music do it. You see me? But people don't know media facts and I have to make the people them know what go on. You see me? Cause that brother, I don't know what I mean by boss, alkaline and all of them little thing there, bro. When I get the concept wrong, dog. Uno can pre that in a little dancehall space. But you have the world out there, brother. You see me where people know alkaline because of music, them turn a fan because of music, bro. You see me? No building on a career, alkaline music building career. No comparison with no cartel, bro. You understand? No comparison thing. Them go always do that because they're two great artists. You see me? Yeah. But people, big up on yourself and don't know one media facts on the app. That is it.